I want to take you through how to upload your speech. This video right here, how to upload your speech, gave you some information, but I still have 3 students that are putting the speech in the wrong place. So I'm going to talk slower and take you to it step by step. Log into content. Once you get to the content section, you're going to look for, this is for outline. This is an example. This is the informative speech for upload your outline for your speech here. And this is actually where you're going to log in and create and upload your speech. You'll click the link. It'll take you to McGraw-Hill Connect, and then you click launch. Once you click launch, it will take you to the format that shows you how to videotape and upload your speech on this format. It is, I promise you, simple. I cannot grade your speech if it is not here. I have graded 14 speeches already. 14 were submitted. I have 14 grades. Please make sure you do this before the end of the week. Thank you. No. I don't want to end. Let me get out of this one and go, let's go into week 2. I'm here. Let's go into week 2. This is week 1. So let's go into week 2, November 26th to December 3rd. Your persuasive speech. These are the topics. Select from the topics. This is the outline that you're going to use. Use the outline. The outline must be typed. I did not think I needed to say that, but I want to say that to make sure that you all are getting full credit. If you do not type your outline, I'm taking 2 points from your outline. This is the format that I want you to follow. You will see that you have a time limit here, 3 to 5 minutes. You have a title, by. Follow this outline. And I know that it is very elementary, basic, and simple, but I need it to be this way. So not to cause any confusion, this is exactly what I want. So let's go back to speech 2. Speech 2 is a persuasive speech. This is an example of a persuasive speech. This is your template. This is the drop box. And here, where it says external learning tool, you're going to click here as you did with the informative speech. Click, and this is where you're going to actually upload your video. I need to be able to see your face. I need to hear your voice, see your face, look at the facial expressions. When you go into week 2, you have quiz 2. It's due Monday, November the 28th. Your midterm, because this is week 2 and it is a 4-week course, is due November 30th. This is your midterm. Your midterm is chapter 13. No punches. I'm telling you exactly what I need from you. I thought that this would be fairly simple. Let's go into week 3. Week 3 is December 4th to December 10th. You're doing a demonstration speech. This is the demonstration outline. This is the outline Dropbox. Please watch this video, and this is where you will upload the speech. We're going over chapters 11, 12, 13. If I need to, I will, and I promise you, give you some lectures, but this is fairly simple. And always watch your announcements. This is quiz 3. This is week 3. You actually have a SmartBook assignment for week 3. And week 4, the same way. I'm not trying to trick anyone. The format is basic. You have a presentation every week along with a quiz. You have a presentation, you have a quiz. Format. You must upload your format. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful holiday. Please be safe. Make sure that you do your work on time and that you log in. If you have any questions, please ask me in our Zoom meetings.